He's climbing in your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them, so y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, cause they raping everybody out here. You don't have to.
This was actually no point to this video. This was because I was really bored. That's how bad it is. And this is me without my makeup. I look pretty horrible. Bye.